Alright guys, this is a bike check on my like.i Mac. I have the like.i Mac frame, stock stem, duo doyle grips, animal linear brake cable, Dytech Goldfinger brake lever, stolen cranks, they're the stolen mob cranks actually, Odyssey twisted PC pedals, Duo stunner front tire, dice valve caps on both wheels, mechanic bottom bracket American, stolen shackle chain half link, demolition CD sprocket. Alright, let's go to the seat. This is a Eastern Bikes letters pivotal seat, and there's a pivotal seat post, the stolen thermalite, Canada convert back tire, sealed bearings in the back hub, and the like.i Mac is my bike. See ya.